Give a Work is a platform that offers a unique approach to charitable giving. It is an online marketplace where users can purchase services from freelancers around the world, with the proceeds going to support charitable causes. The concept behind Give a Work is simple. Freelancers offer their services on the platform, and buyers purchase those services at a fair market price. The difference between the price paid and the cost of the service is donated to one of several charitable causes that the buyer can choose from. The platform offers a wide range of services, from graphic design and writing to programming and marketing. Buyers can search for specific services or browse the offerings of individual freelancers. One of the unique aspects of Give a Work is that it enables freelancers to use their skills to support charitable causes. Freelancers can choose to donate a percentage of their earnings to charity, and they can also choose which causes they want to support. In addition to supporting charitable causes, Give a Work also aims to create meaningful work opportunities for freelancers around the world. By connecting freelancers with buyers, the platform enables them to earn a fair wage for their work, regardless of their location or circumstances. Overall, Give a Work offers a unique and innovative approach to charitable giving. By harnessing the power of freelancers and online marketplaces, the platform enables users to support charitable causes while also supporting meaningful work opportunities for freelancers. How will benefit get people from this site? Several ways that people can benefit from Give a Work. Buyers can benefit by receiving high-quality services from skilled freelancers. Whether they need a logo design, a website, or a marketing strategy, they can find the services they need on Give a Work. Buyers also have the satisfaction of knowing that the proceeds from their purchase are going to support a charitable cause. Freelancers can benefit by finding new work opportunities on the platform. By offering their services on Give a Work, they can expand their client base and earn a fair wage for their work. Freelancers also have the opportunity to use their skills to support charitable causes that are important to them. Charitable organizations can benefit by receiving donations from Give a Work users. The platform supports a variety of causes, including education, healthcare, and environmental conservation, among others. By receiving donations through Give a Work, charitable organizations can continue to support their programs and make a positive impact in their communities. The wider community can benefit from Give a Work's mission to create positive social impact. By supporting charitable causes and providing meaningful work opportunities for freelancers, Give a Work is contributing to a more equitable and sustainable world. In summary, Give a Work offers a win-win solution for buyers, freelancers, and charitable organizations. It provides high-quality services, meaningful work opportunities, and support for charitable causes, making it a powerful tool for positive social impact. Charitable organizations can benefit by receiving donations from Give a Work users. The platform supports a variety of causes, including education, healthcare, and environment.